Here is something that glows that you can find in your fridge. Spinach. To make glowing spinach, you will need spinach and 91% isopropanol. Roughly cut up 10 spinach leaves with scissors or chop up with a knife. Place the chopped up or cut up spinach leaves in a heat-proof container and add 20 milliliters of 91% isopropanol. We use isopropanol rather than water because chlorophylls are fat-soluble compounds due to their hydrocarbon chain that anchors chlorophyll to the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. Therefore, we must use an organic solvent such as isopropanol to extract chlorophyll from our spinach. Place your spinach leaves in a heat-proof container with isopropanol in a hot water bath for at least 5 minutes. Then filter the solution with a coffee filter. Chlorophyll absorbs different colors of light, especially red and blue-violet light. In the cell, the photoexcitation of chlorophyll electrons are passed onto the electron transport chain. But when we isolated chlorophyll from the chloroplast, the energy from the excited electron, rather than being passed on to an electron acceptor, is emitted in the form of red fluorescence. We are adding new videos every week that you could do at home or even in your own classroom. Please make sure to like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel.